In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your virtual credit card on Cimb. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you acquire a virtual credit card from Cimb, you will be able to attach it to a digital wallet or alternatively use it to make purchases online anywhere that credit cards are accepted. First, to actually acquire your virtual card, make sure that you have the latest version of the Cimb mobile app, open it up, and switch over to the Cards tab, where you should find the option to apply for a virtual credit card. As you can see, it is going to be issued by Ravy Credit and as a Visa card. So tap Get My Virtual Card at the bottom and follow through the instructions on screen. You will have to agree to the terms and conditions and set up a digital PIN. Once you are done with this process, you choose a color and you customize your card. It is going to appear under your default cards window. As you can see, all that you have to do is switch over to the virtual card tab, where the virtual card that you have just created will appear. Now, in there, you have the option to show the card details, and this will allow you to see the full credit card number, your full name, and the expiration date for that specific card. You can freeze the card at any time, get a replacement, or dispose of this digital card altogether by tapping close. At the bottom, you also have the card limits and the status. So all that you have to do to actually use your virtual credit card from Cimb is to tap Show Card Details and copy the number, expiration date, and the name imprinted on the card alongside the security code. Keep in mind that the card status must also be active, so double check that if necessary, and optionally, you can customize the card limits, that way you don't overspend. But as long as you go to this window under your card's dashboard, you switch over to the virtual card tab and you tap show card details, you will acquire the necessary information to start making purchases. Like I said, this will allow you to see the full card number, expiration date, and the security code alongside the name on the card, which you can use anywhere that credit card payments are accepted. So just input those during checkout. And if you wish to use this card alongside a digital wallet, all that you have to do is open any digital wallet of your choice. So for example, the Apple Wallet, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen and input these credentials into your wallet. The card is going to get attached and you will be able to use that digital wallet for payments instead. But for the most part, you can choose whether you want to use the card details or a digital wallet. Regardless of the option, both of those will work. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your virtual credit card from Cimb. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.